swear I like that the most unfair places. What the? How is this died to nothing? It's so weird, bro. Nice. I think that's the last clip. I didn't want to. I wanted to be on full detail, but it was just really laggy, you know. I think this is my hardest vanilla completion. I don't know if it's harder than Mytho Hell for me, but we'll see. Exactly 50th victims.